How to use Amazon Map Tracking to see exactly where your driver is. Now this is a feature inside of Amazon that lets you track your parcels whenever a driver is 10 to 20 stops in your location. So only if the driver is around your location you'll be able to use this feature. So in order to see this, what you'll need to do is head over to the Your Orders tab, which will be visible inside of the profile section. Just head over to Your Orders. Once you're inside of Your Orders, you'll need to locate your package. So you can locate the item scheduled for delivery today, and then you'll be able to tap on the Track Package option will only be visible, as I said, if the driver is near your location. If the driver is close by, a map will appear. You can also access this map directly from your shipment confirmation email. So normally you get a email inside of Amazon. You can also head over to your email as well to find this exact map. Otherwise you'll be able to find it inside of the orders section. So using one of these sections, you'll be able to use the Amazon Map Tracking to see exactly where your driver is. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next video.